Hello friends, welcome to this video on Python programming, and in this video we will see how to select the Python interpreter. So usually when you are going to launch Visual Studio, right, at that time it will give you a pop-up, okay, and it will say that do you want to install the Python interpreter, okay. So for that, first you need to of course have a Python file. So you have to have a file like say whatever a.py like I have created, and I have put a print here. Okay, I'm trying to execute it, okay, using the run button. So in that case it will prompt you, okay, it will say that do you want to install Python interpreter. But in case you have closed that pop-up, okay, I will tell you how you can install the interpreter. So first of all, go to the top, okay, and select view, okay, from the top tab, and now select command palette, okay, click on that. And now you see, right, it is saying Python select interpreter, okay, so you can click on this. And now see whatever Python version you have installed, okay, so for example I have installed 3.10.7, okay, on my system. So it's giving me a recommendation that you should be using Python 3.10.7 64-bit. So I will just select that, okay, like this, and it will start working. So in your case, in case you have selected you have installed say 3.9 or 3.8 or 3.7, okay, accordingly you will get a recommendation and you can select that Python interpreter, right? So I have done that and I will show you, okay. Now just to test it, just click the run button here, run Python file, and you see, right, it is compiling fine and we are getting the output hello world. So that's how you select the interpreter in Python. Thanks for watching.